Hi guys, welcome back to Nelly Doing Things. Been doing reviews, so I'm finally back officially. Perfume, makeup, etc. The perfume of the choice today is a very delicious scent. Very, very delicious. I love the scent so much. The Jimmy Choo Floral. I believe this is an EDT. Yeah, EDT. This is the 1.3 ounce. Before I get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe to Nelly Doing Things, and don't forget to leave a comment below too. Tell me if you like the scent. You're gonna pick it up as well. Let's get into this review real quick because I love this. All right, so let me just start with the packaging because we just need to start there. Okay, so first thing, I have got this online from fragrancenet.com, and I believe I got it for, I believe it was $48. I believe it was like $48.75. So it's cheaper. Of course, I use Fragrance X, Fragrance Net. Any place that has a sale. Really old systems I've tried when they have sales, but mainly Fragrance Net and FragranceX.com. So this guy was literally right under 50 bucks. Middle size. I know they go up to, I believe, 2.5, and then they have like a 1 ounce and possibly a roller ball. But I had the 1.3 ounce here, like I said, to show you how big it is. Because sometimes I'll be wondering how big is these perfumes, but it's a little bit, as you see, you know, my fingers are long, but it's big as my palm pretty much in there. So it's a cute little size. The packaging is fantastical. I actually love the packaging a lot. If you guys, I don't think you can tell, but see how the breading in there, it actually feels like a little bit scaly. I know that sounds kind of gross, but it feels really, really good actually. I'm actually surprised when I got the box. I was like, ooh, it is pastel, so you know, I already love it. I did my makeup off of the perfume today. It has like a little silver wing and a little teal moment. Box opens like normal, has a little guard here. And then she's down in here. She's so cute. Oh, she's so cute. Look at this little teardrop. She's so adorable. Look at that. So across the front, of course, Jimmy Choo. You got Jimmy across the, Jimmy Choo across the top. This one's a square topper, which I love. Silver lining and a teal pastel or mint pastel color in between the cubes, and then the whole bottle is stained like pastel minty color. The liquid is clear. Good. Pop off the top. Oh, I love this scent so much, guys. I've been wearing this all summer, spring. When I was in Ulsa the first time I smelled it, and I was like, I gotta have it. But of course the price was like, but then you wait a little months and got into summertime, and then boom, here it is. And I was like, yes ma'am. So woo, first spray. I love this scent so much. Oh, it is very summery. Sorry, I gotta spray it all up in here. It is very summery. Actually it's more spring than a summery kind of scent. I love that scent so much. It's a little bit, it's very fresh from the start. Has a little bit of fruit, a little bit green notes in there that pulls out to me. Before I even really fully looked in the notes, because I just know I liked it when I sprayed it Ulta. I was like, I'll need that perfume somehow. If I find online cheaper, we're getting it. So literally this scent is the perfect scent for summertime. She's adorable. She just fits in your pocket. Even the one that's a little bigger, it's like a little bit this taller, but it's so oval. I actually like the shape. I think it's really cute. The little dents inside of it, typical Jimmy Choo bottles, you know. And I just think it's so cute. Even the middle size is so adorable. I like the oval, the elongated oval shape. And then I love this pastel mint color. Like it fits the scent that is inside of it. That's what I'm pretty much trying to make that point. So let's get into these notes, because I'm just gonna keep talking about how cute it is because I can't help it. So okay, so on Fragrantica, boom, got it right. Literally it says it is floral, citrus, sweet, fruity, and musky. So it's so cute. I'm not gonna lie, I would love to buy the bigger size. So on here it says, on Fragrantica, it says Jimmy Choo Floral represents the beauty and confidence and energy in every woman. Describes as refined, fresh, and radiant scent. Like fresh fruits, leaves. I told you that green in there. Leaves, florals such as magnolia, and light musky woody nose. Ooh, girl. What I get, like I told you, the leaf, I get more of the leaves and the plant flower kind of situations. I get more of that at first, but then that burst of nectarine and the other fruit that's inside of it, that starts to come out with it. So it's pretty much like not woodsy, but leaves kind of earthy, and then it comes off to kind of like a fruit. And then yeah, still in the fruit, it's still the top notes are going to be leaves, kind of earthy, like I said, leaves, earthy, and then it goes off to literally fruity, and it kind of stays. And then I want to know a little bit at the end of the video, I'll check again, but oh yeah, this guy, yeah, you can get him at Ulta, you can get him online, Fragrance X, and FragranceNet.com has him. Has the scent. Straight up smell the earthiness, and then the fruit comes right, like literally it's like clockwork. It's like you're walking through a tree that has like literally oranges on it, and the leaves fall. You smell the leaves, but then you start smelling, oh, fruit. Like one fruit drops and splits open, or something gets it open, cuts it open. More nectarines. You start smelling all these other fruity, citrusy bursts of fruit, and then the leaves are at first. The earthiness comes with, like, the plant comes after the fruit, so, or the fruit comes after the plant, so kind of goes in that route. And yeah, it's still staying in that fruit. It is staying in that fruit. Now let's talk longevity of the scent, how long it lasts with me. So when I'm in the house and I spray it, I've sprayed on my bed. I do spray a lot of my perfumes on my bed, my fabric, or my sheets, my bed sheets. I usually spray my pillows. I want to just smell like it, and during the summer this has been loading up, so I'm using this too much, and it's not even just on my body. I spray it in my clothes, some air sometimes, but yeah, I literally, with this scent, it lasts with me, like in the house, if I'm spraying things, spraying myself with it, spraying my bed sheets with it, this will last a good, I want to say 8 to 9 hours. Now, when I'm out and about, unfortunately, this lasts to me only 5 to 6. Now, maybe because we're all wearing masks. Again, people, stay safe. Cover your face. Wash your hands. Sanitize everything. Bleach. No, just clean up everything. Anyways, but yeah, with this, I really do feel like it is really, really nice. I do enjoy it, but I feel like I want it to last longer. If they come out with the EDP of this, that would be perfect, because this will last forever. And if it's like a little bit deeper at the end, because it stays leafy, earthy, and then it, bright, very, very bright scent, and really does match the bottle. Hint, match the bottle, and then it gets that fruit, and it kind of just stays, because I still smell the fruit right here all on me. But yeah, I wanted to add a little more musk, make it an EDP. That'd be really, really great, because I need that deeperness of it. I need that musk to come out more, because I think the musk comes out after I've already taken a shower, and it does stay on past the shower a little bit though. For EDT, that's pretty impressive. But I really want an EDP version of this. But I do love my EDTs. If you guys know from my other collection videos, I literally have nothing but EDTs, really. I have a few EDPs now. I'm getting a little more richer, y'all. I'm getting a little more, exquisite and deeper in there. But I love my EDTs. They're so good. And then sometimes if I mix them, they're not too overwhelming to EDPs. So it's really, I just love EDTs. And they're so soft and gentle, because I don't want to knock anyone out the door with the scent. Especially right now, we got masks on. They can smell me through with masks. That's pretty strong. But yeah, but this one is definitely a must for summer or spring 2020. I know we're not out there like that. I know we're supposed to stay inside quarantine, stay safe, but you can still smell good though. So I definitely would purchase this again, bigger size, EDP, spin-off. Like, I definitely would. I know they have other ones that are not this particular scent, but they did spin-offs of the scent and just made it deeper, or add vanilla to, oh my god, they have vanilla in this. Like, I lose my mind. But 2020, this is like one of my favorite scents that I have gotten since 2020. 2019 to 2020 is my most favorite scent ever. So Jimmy Choo Floral, I love you. I love this scent. I really, really do. So I recommend people to grab it. you get it on sale, grab it. It's a really, really good scent. It's very soft, and it'll remind you of spring and summer every year. It's really, really good. So that is my review of Jimmy Choo's Floral EDT perfume. And if you guys like this video, like and subscribe and leave a comment. Tell me if you're ever going to get it yourself, or if you're looking out for Jimmy Choo perfumes, or if you're a collector of Jimmy Choo. I would like to know. Tell me which one is the best one, because I'm now just getting into Jimmy Choo. I'm just now like, I've seen their bottles and they're beautiful, but I never was like in it. So now I'm like really getting into these scents, and I'm just like, Jimmy Choo got my ears perked up a little bit. Let me start giving her attention. So yeah, guys. So again, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Stay safe out there. Wear a mask. Wash your hands. Disinfect when you get home. Clean, clean, clean. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, y'all. Thank you for watching Nelly Doing Things.